Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to DistroKid. First, log into your DistroKid account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the bank account or withdrawal section, usually found in your account settings. Here, you will find options for setting up your payment method. Select PayPal as your preferred choice to begin the connection process. This initial step is crucial for receiving your earnings efficiently. After selecting PayPal, you will be prompted to enter your PayPal account details. It is essential to provide the exact email address associated with your active PayPal account. Double-check for any typos or errors, as an incorrect email can lead to payment issues. Confirm your selection to link your PayPal account. This ensures that DistroKid knows where to send your hard-earned royalties, making the process smooth and straightforward for you. Once your PayPal information is entered, DistroKid might initiate a verification step. This could involve sending a confirmation email to your PayPal address. Be sure to check your inbox, including spam folders, for any messages requiring action. Sometimes, you may need to log into your PayPal account to approve the connection or confirm details. Allow a few minutes, typically up to 5 minutes, for the system to fully process and establish the secure link between the two platforms. Finally, remember that DistroKid generally processes payments on a monthly cycle, so your earnings will accumulate before being sent. To avoid any potential delays, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified and in good standing. You have the flexibility to update or change your payment method at any point through your DistroKid settings. This easy connection ensures you receive your music royalties directly and reliably, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.